and we are the Captains!
Today is a brand new day, and I feel extravagant,
Great and absolutely energized!
of course, guys. I want to spend this unforgettable moment with you, just like what we usually do, making fun things together. Fun?
Yes, Raquel, fun. It's like you can't think of anything else when you're in this very moment.
And you laugh out loud, and you don't regret. And you want to do this all over again, especially when you're with friends. It's really, really fun. Just like schooling. But wait, there's something I need to tell you guys.
Do you know what Swinkle is?
Swinkle is a cool and colorful brand.
A personal brand.
Perfect on the go. Student friendly. And this product description should indicate or dictate the feel or tone of voice of the approach to promotions and communications. Now, what really is our brand current situation? Based on our survey,
Here is our presentation highlights for our brand plan, brand positioning, creatives, IMC strategies, and media.
so for our current brand situation, based on our 519 teen survey and 28 videotape interview we have conducted, it says that Stabilo Swinkle has low brand awareness. Like 7 out of 10 students don't know Stabilo Swinkle. Another point is that Stabilo Boss is a market leader, while Stabilo Swinkle is just trailing behind that product, having 60% of them prefer Stabilo Boss, followed by the 32% of Faber-Castell. And do you know what, guys? That 73% of our market buy their highlighters in national bookstores. And right now, let's figure out what are the factors cause our current brand situation. First, we have this minimal advertising efforts. Like they could find their advertisements only with TV, magazines, and online. And another one is that they have this poor in-store product display and visibility. And right now, how are we going to set our goal for our brand? First, of course, we have to make Stabilo Swinkle a strong second to Stabilo Boss. And we have to make Stabilo Swinkle to be one of the most preferred brands as with well-entrenched brand equity. And how can our Stabilo Swinkle get there is that we have an extensive IMC campaign that also rubs off all of the Stabilo products, and we have to position Stabilo Swinkle as a brand for students, and while Stabilo Boss for professionals to avoid cannibalization.
Our task includes strengthening the brand affinity for Swinkle among students as a more reliable brand they can trust, just like their friends. And based on our research and analysis, here are the strengths, the weaknesses, the opportunities, and the threats for the brand. Good thing it has good features. It has the innovative 4R anti-dry technology and available in 8 vibrant colors, which makes it very trendy. Good thing also is that Stabilo is a well-established brand. But on the other hand, Stabilo Swinkle also has its downfall. Weaknesses, it has low brand identity. For its current situation right now, it's trailing behind other highlighter brands. One big opportunity Stabilo has is that it can tie up on schools and university to promote the campaign as well as the brand. And one of the biggest threats listed here is that several cheaper brands are already emerging, as well as the digital application softwares for readings, such as ebook reader.
Okay, so our marketing objective is to strengthen Stabilo Swinkle market dominance by using or making Swinkle as the brand, as Swinkle as the new driver of business growth. And another thing is to increase the gross revenue share of Stabilo Swinkle by 10% after 1 year service.
Marketing strategy.
So for our marketing strategy, we opt to intensify school penetration and brand visibility while improving in-store presence. To create the foundation of our campaign, let's meet our target market. 16 to 23 years old, high school and college students, belonging to the AB class and upper C class, residing in the key cities nationwide. And we call them the trend enthusiasts. They love to try new things. They are undergoing to a lot of changes, physical, emotional, psychological, and social. They are internet savvy. They enjoy buying things for themselves. They love to do performing arts. They are having fun in school, but especially with their friends. But they tend to cram during exam time. However, studying with friends is a less stressful way for them to learn. And using a highlighter helps them to memorize important notes. And to sum it up, the desire of our target market is to feel good with friends around. Yes, to feel good with friends around. No pretension, no pressure. We're taking laughs with them. Even embarrassment, because they feel at ease when they are together. And just like our target market, Stabilo Swing Cool is a reliable, cool, fun, trendy, exciting, and friendly brand. And for the brand equity, Swing Cool, a cool friend.
For our communication objectives, we would equate Swinkle to the value of friendship. Second, we will make Swinkle own the Berkada platform. And third is to own a distinctive, non-traditional event that is consistent with brand positioning and unmistakably Swinkle. And for our strategy, we have to make more connectivity driven, which will then need more stimulation by interaction, which would lead to a stronger social needs, which would then reinforce great Berkada moments.
According to Stephen Fajardo, Code and Uncode, pinapadali niya yung studies ko para madaling mahanap yung most important facts. According to Amy Bautista, highlighter is best used to put emphasis on some important phrases and sentences. Which according to Kimberly Trixley, that is very helpful to my notes, books, and at the same time, affordable. There are a lot of fun things in school, but for these people, what makes school really fun is
Oh.
Friends, number one. Friends talaga.
And the tone of our campaign will be cool, fun, and friendly. Which brought us to our big
Wala pa.
idea.
Great Berkada moments deserve highlight.
Great Berkada moments deserve highlight means that you give importance to details that are worth remembering, and that leads us to our tagline. And our tagline is
Highlight the good ones. Are you ready, guys, to fire up the campaign? So here is our TVC.
entitled Audition.
looks during the weekend, or maybe perform in front of everyone.
But thanks for treating folks to perform with friends is more wonderful.
Good day, guys.
And those moments deserve
Highlight.
highlighting important details has always been easy with.
School has always been fun.
I can play basketball under the sun.
Or maybe books during the weekend,
Or maybe perform in front of everyone.
But thanks for treating folks to perform with friends is more wonderful.
Good day, guys.
and those moments deserve
Highlight.
highlighting important details has always been easy with.
For our print executions, audition has always been fun, especially with friends around. Highlight the good ones. And for our jingle, entitled Highlight the Good Ones, this is the full version.
Anywhere we hang out, anytime I call, whatever I say or do, I know I can count on you. It's not just the jokes, not just the tears, every moment we share is great.
Together we're cool, together it's fun, let's highlight the good ones. Stop, it'll swing cool. Highlight whenever you like. Stop, it'll swing cool. Highlight whenever you want. Stop, it'll swing cool. You can highlight the good ones. Every day is jamming, every minute chatting, driving on the shoulder, every second is a highlight. Life is colorful when friends are there. We keep the sun and chase the fun. You're my rainbow after the rain. Stop, it'll swing cool. Highlight whenever you like. Stop, it'll swing cool. Highlight whenever you want. Stop, it'll swing cool. You can highlight the good ones. Highlight the good ones. Highlight the good ones.
Once again, our jingle for the 30-seconder, Highlight the Good Ones.
Life is colorful when friends are there.
We keep the sun and chase the fun. You're my rainbow after the rain. Stop, it'll swing cool. Highlight whenever you like. Stop, it'll swing cool. Highlight wherever you want. Stop, it'll swing cool. You can highlight the good ones. Highlight the good ones.
For our advocacy entitled as I Can.
Di ba yung one delay naman yung one drop? Edit ako din sila. Yung sa 3D pala ano na ginawa? Oo. Ano yung deduction nila?
And our AVP for the All Mothers of Family.
creative ideas all talks about highlighting what is fun, what is exciting, highlighting what is good in everyone, highlighting the good one. And now for our out of home and below the line advertisements. We have the lamppost, the escalator ad, school bulletin boards,
And for our social media promotions, we have a Facebook fan page, Twitter account, for our crawling ads, we also have crawling ad for events.
and for our campus tour we have Barkada and Help, Book for a Cause, Bazaar Kata, this is a stable loading icon, animated banner advertisement, for our seasonal ads. FB, Facebook, animated emoticons. We also have sponsored articles, blogs, hottest trendsetter,
We also have mobile downloadable theme.
and our campus tour. We have Book for a Cause, Bazaar Kada, The Colorful Library, Great Summer Barkada Day, and event sponsorship.
We also have our school tie-ups, like help desk booth during school entrance examination and orientation day. This is an example of a Connect ad, which will be placed on bookstores on their wall. Posters and flyers. Gondola. For our merchandising collateral, we have Swinkle Flash Drive, Swinkle Toothbrush,
Translucent fan, flashlight, blueprint holder,
and for our media objectives, we have this is actually our IMC strategies for all our efforts, for all our ads. This is our media. Provide optimum reach to teenagers, class A and upper C from key cities nationwide. Next, we have to strengthen brand relevance. We have the value of friendship by enhancing communications with targets. Our strategies includes multimedia combination of TV, radio, print, non-traditional, and events, which will be used to effectively deliver the message to target during and in particularly appropriate environments. Schedule efforts towards seasons and day parts in which the target is most receptive to the message. Thank you, that's all.
Thank you, and again, we are the Captains!